it smells bad! Hello guys, hello. I actually using now a mic. I don't know if it will help, but I will try. Yeah, I'm back in the garage. I still don't have the glue for the bolts to the clutch, to the flywheel. So I won't be able to do that. But actually today before I got to the garage, I watched AdamLZ's vlog, which go follow him on YouTube. It's a big car vlogger making YouTube videos. Yeah, but he actually painted a strut tower in his R32, and as you see over here on this car, it's quite damaged over there from heat, and over there, and also over there below, it's quite damaged. And over here you can see some brake fluid got to it. So actually I will repaint this. Yeah, that's my plan to do today. Now I finally got some covering done and still need to sand the bay. As you see, really a lot of paint coming off over there, and over here I need to sand it to get it good, and over there below also. I will be spraying with a really low pressure so it won't get all around the place. But yeah, let's start sanding. This is actually what you get when you buy a cheap drilling machine. I think it's finished. Whoa! Dude, it smells bad! Now I've finished sanding and I have wiped it off with some thinner. And yeah, now it's time to blend some paint. I don't know, it's the same paint I painted the car with for a couple of years ago, so I don't know if it will be working at all, but if it will, it will. If it don't, it don't. But yeah, I have covered up quite a bit over here, a little bit more than before, and now it's time to start messing around. Now I have another microphone, so hopefully the sound will be maybe something similar. I don't know, because I can't check. But yeah, here is the paint I have. Yeah, it's floating and hardened. Yes, and another harder. Yeah, it will be fine. And I have some thinner also to make it a little bit easy flowing, or you know how I mean. Yeah. This one is stored inside this bucket with some thinner to prevent it from hardening, to prevent the holes from getting stuck. It smells thinner here. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. I don't think I will need more paint than this amount, so I will start to blend 1 cup of this in a cup. Yeah. finally it's done. I'm already painted that. It's quite sticky in my nose. Yeah, I should have used some air protection for my breathing. Yeah, but it's done, and it's not so foggy inside. The surface of this paint job is not for like a car outside surface, because this is an engine bay. As you understand, it's a race car, and I don't care so much about that. But yeah, I would like it. I like it to be like one color. Than before it was really bad. I'm happy with this job, and it took me a couple of hours, so it's now done. I don't know how the sound have been with today in this vlog, because I'm using a mic, as I said earlier in this vlog. Yeah. But yeah, now it's done, and now it's time to push this engine back inside over here, close the door, and wait until it dries. Maybe tomorrow evening or another day I will go back here and unwrap the paper off it, and yeah, start putting the engine back together. I'm still missing the glue for the clutch, so. But next time I will be here, I probably have it. I have to go buy it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit thumbs up if you like the videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. I will make a video from the engine going inside also, and then later go on. I still have some projects at home to make some tables and things, so I have some other vlogs about that coming out. So now it's time to head home. See you guys in next vlog, hopefully. Yeah, bye.